Very good morning. Question is, a tree is broken by the wind. The top struck the ground at an angle of 30 degree at a distance of 30 meter from the foot. Find the whole height of the tree. Find the whole height of the tree. Okay? Suppose previously tree was in this shape, but due to wind, certain height, tree broken out and touches the ground. Now the figure will be this. A, B, C. Height of the tree is height of tree is AB plus AC is AB plus AC. The AB plus AC is the height of the tree. AB plus AC is the height of the tree. Angle is formed here, 30 degree. Angle is 30 degree. Okay. Then we have to find the height. Okay. And the distance between foot from the foot, 30 meter, means the distance of B to C. B is a point of foot of the tree and C is the point. This distance is 30 meter. This distance is 30 meter. Then by Pythagoras theorem, don't use in triangle ABC, this one is a perpendicular because tree, wall, pole, these are perpendicular on the earth. It form or 90 degree. So in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, tan theta, P by B, relation of P by B, tan theta equal to AB by AC. Now in place of tan theta we will put here tan 30 degree equal to AB by 30. Now the value of tan 30 is 1 by root 3 equal to AB by 30, or AB equal to 30 root 3. Means this one becomes 30 root 3. Now this, after that we will add it again. In triangle ABC. Yes. Yes. In triangle ABC. Again we will take this and this. That is perpendicular and hypotenuse. It becomes a sine. Then sine theta equal to tell me. Yes, you can take cos 30 also. B by H. You can take cos 30 also. B by H. Hello? Hello. You can take sine 30 or cos 30 both. Okay. Now sine theta P by H. Sine 30 degree equal to P, that is AB by AC, or sine 30 is 1 by 2, AB is 30 by root 3 into AC, or AC equal to 30 into 2 by under root 3. This is equation first and this is equation second. Right? Hello? Hello? Okay. Now you will add. Now height of the tree is. So height of the tree equal to AB plus AC. AB is 30 root 3 plus 60 root 3. 30 to the 60. And add the take LCM. Root 3 LCM. 30 plus 60, that is 90 root 3. Rationalize it. 30 root 3, it becomes 30 root 3. Then 30 root 3. That is 30 into 1.732 meter. It becomes 51.96 meter. 51.96 meter. Any doubt? Yes, tell me. First, please write down. Yes. May I rub the board? Dear student. आकांक्षा, धीरज, दिनेश, हर्षराज, खुशी सिंह, निमेश, पीयूष, प्रत्यूष, रौनित, सुहानी, सुशांत, तन्नु, तृप्ति. Completed. Okay, now I am going to rub the board. Now next question. Page number. Hello. Okay. Now next question. The shadow of vertical tower vertical tower the shadow of vertical tower on level ground increases by 10 meter when the altitude of the sun change from angle of elevation 45 degree to 30 degree 45 degree to 30 degree. Find the height of the tower. Find the height of the tower. Take pi equal to root 3 equal to 1.73. Okay. Here is the tower. Just you see the figure. This is the tower. This is the ground. This is the tower and this is the ground. Now, the shadow of a vertical tower level ground increases by 10 meter when altitude of the sun change from 45 degree. This one is 45. When he, after 10 meters from this, A, B, C and D, this is a 10 meter. The angle becomes 30 degree. After increasing the distance of 10 meter from this point, the angle becomes 30 degree. So find the height of the tower. Let this height be x. Then tower is also perpendicular on the ground. Tower is also perpendicular on the ground. Let height of the tower be h. Height of the tower be h meter. Height of the tower be h meter. Okay. And BC equal to x. BC equal to x. Okay. Then in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, tan AB by BC, that is equal to tan theta. We will find AB. Tan theta equal to AB by BC. And tan theta is given 45 degree. Theta is given 45 degree. Tan 45 degree equal to AB is X and this one is X. Tan 45 equal to 1. 1 equal to H by X or H equal to X. This is equation first. H equal to X. This is equation first. Right. This is equation first. Again in triangle ABD. Again in triangle ABD. Again in triangle ABD. Right. Then tan theta equal to, very good, AB by BC plus CD, BD, then tan 30 degree equal to BC plus AB by BC plus CD, BC plus CD. Okay, now tan 30 1 by root 3 equal to AB is H by X plus 10 plus 10. Now by cross multiplication, root 3H equal to X plus 10. And from equation first, H equal to X or X equal to H. So we have to find the value of H. So root 3H equal to H plus 10. Because X is from 1. From 1. Then root 3H minus H equal to 10 or root 3 H common, root 3 minus 1 equal to 10 or height equal to 10 by root 3 minus 1. Rationalize it. Root 3 plus 1 by root plus 1, that is 10 by a square minus b square, 2 into root 3 plus 1. 5 into root 3 plus 1. 5 into root 3 is 1.73. 1.73 plus 1. 5 into 2.73. That is in 13.65 meter. 13.65 meter. Therefore, height of the tower is 13.65 meter. Dear student, height of the tower is 13.65 meter. Write down, please. Yes, tell me. Hello. Wait. Question number. Question number. Read the question. Hello. wait. Hello, page number 637, horizontal tower. Question number. Okay. First you write down. Write down. May I have the board? Dear student, all of you, tell me, may I rub the board? Hello. Completed. No one is talking. Other student, what they are doing? Dheeraj, Harsh, Akanksha, Om Prakash, Nimesh, Khushi, Piyush. Completed or not? Rishabh Babu. Okay. Now, may I rub the board? May I rub the board? Okay. Now, next question. Here is a question which is asked by the student. Dear, please see. Question. The horizontal distance between two towers, distance between two towers is 60 meters. The angle of depression, the angle of depression of the top of the first tower, top of the first tower, when seen from the top of the tower is when seen from the top of the tower the angle of depression of the top of the second tower is the angle of depression of top of the second tower is top of the second tower top of the second tower is 30 degree. If the height of the second tower is if the height of the second tower is 90 meter. Find the height of the first tower. Find the height of the first tower. Find the height of the first tower. Write down. This is the question. The horizontal distance between two towers is 60 meter. The angle of depression of top of the second tower is 30 degree if the height of the second tower the angle of depression of top of the first tower is 30 degree. Hello. The horizontal distance between two towers is 60 meter. The angle of depression of the top of first tower first top of first tower when seen top of the first tower. Hello. Top of the first. Some. Just wait. Rectify the question. Top of the first tower. Top of the first tower when seen from the top of the second tower is 30 degree. If the height of the second tower is height of the second tower is 90 meter. Find the height of the first tower. Find the height of first tower. Find the height of the first tower. Use root 3 equal to 1.732. Okay. When horizontal distance between two towers is 60 meters, the angle of depression of the top of the first tower when seen from the second tower is 30 degree. Is 30 degree. If the height of the second tower is 90 meters, find the height of the first tower. Find the height of the first tower. Okay, now see the figure. This one is ground, one first tower, and another is second tower. Okay, distance between this tower is 90, 60. Suppose A or B, 60 meters, and from this it will also be 60 meters. Now from this point angle of depression is 30 degree. Then this will be 30 degree. So by alternate interior angle it becomes also a 30 degree. Suppose this height is h and total height is 90 meters. So this height will be 90 minus h. 90 minus h. So find the height of the first tower. Okay. Let first tower is AD. First tower is AD. First tower is AD. Okay. Equal to H. Second tower total height is given 90 meter. Second tower total height is given 90 meter. Now we have to find what? Yes. And second tower is BE. And second tower equal to BE. Second tower is BE, whose length is given 90 meters. Find the height of the first tower. It means we have to find the value of H. Then in triangle DC, this will be 90 degree. DCE. Answer in triangle DCE. Tan theta equal to EC by DC. Tan 30 degree equal to EC by DC. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. EC is 90 minus H. 90 minus H by DC is 60 meter. Now by cross multiplication, root 3 90 minus h equal to 60. 90 root 3 minus root 3 h equal to 60, or 90 root 3 minus 60 equal to root 3 h equal to root 3 h, or h equal to 90 root 3 minus 60 by root 3. Now rationalizing this, we can take 30 as a common, then 3 root 3 minus 2 by root 3 by root 3. This will be 10. Then h equal to 10 into 3 root 3 into root 3 minus 2 root 3. Then 10 into 9 minus 2 root 3. 10, 9 minus root 3. The value of root 3 is 2 into 1.732. 10, 90 minus 4, 6, this much. 9, not 90. Then 9, 10 into 10 after calculating it will be 10 into 10. Now this will be 10 into, we will do this same, 9, 3.464, 6, 3, 5 point. Hello. After do this, right, calculate it. Then 5.536 equal to 55.36 meter. So height of the first tower, height of first tower equal to 55.36 meter.